Alright, we have set up a feeding tray for them now. So Greg, you can see them swarming in the bucket and on the ground. It's a lot of them, so this is good for them. Very good for them right now. We check all the boxes. There's quite a lot of space there, so we don't need to do any split. But the greatest thing right now is for them to get feed, and we have given them feeding. So this is how it looks. That is on the ground. What is dripping on the ground? We put a cover there with some stone.
File paper, we could work with that. And we not get any of them.
We can't get the file paper, but I mean that can work right now because it actually dripping on them and them going and eating. So we're just going to let that stay. We'll put some stones there, so at least a lot of gathering of puddle is not there, so them can walk around and eat. This is a fairly good place. He set up a stick in the middle, Gregory, so you can see this is a stick in the middle of the. So we have a full 5 gallon right now. So them actually feeding. You can see them all over the place. See it? They're on my hand. This one is on my hand. However, these 3 boxes, number 16, number 17, and that one over there, it is there was no production in them. These are the 3 boxes that we split. There's a minimal production in that number 17, so we're going to allow that to go and develop. Number 16 has no activity, so we figured that maybe the bees them went back. So basically down here so is okay with space, and so as you said, you want us to concentrate on the feeding, so that is what we're going to do. We're going to establish another feeding tray up there by Sunny. 2 more we're going to try if we could put up there, so at least them have up there, so they are able to feed, have feeding. So as you can see here, this is a full 5 gallon. And they're fairly calm now, maybe because them have the food. Them not really, them very calm right now. I can actually go close to them and them not bothering me at all. So I guess it's because them have the feed. Yeah.
No problem. You know them does have sense though.
Yeah man, you see, so
get aggressive.
see them bulking there, Greg? That is what dripping, and they gather there, right there on that cover. That's where it's dripping. Put the cover there, so it's actually dripping on them, and them actually taking it on their own bodies. You see the cluster there? Them actually, yeah, it cluster. The cluster, it actually on their body. So that is what they're doing. They're gathering themselves and taking the meat, the feed. So I'm satisfied to know that them actually have food right now, so that them can eat. Hopefully the rain doesn't affect them. Yeah. I punch a hole, 2 holes that it actually dripping a little fast, which is good for them. About 2 holes dripping fast. So you have them falling down, and don't know if you can see.